All right, we're back. We're back again, guys. We're back. We're back. This is V.B.HAWK for E.HAWK LLC, and we're back. We have another visitor in the family. We're gonna be unboxing the E.HAWK Kids, the kid scooter, and we can't forget about our kids. So one of the girls in the factory suggested a certain model for us. So I said, okay, let's do it. We had one before, but I didn't like the way it was built and structured. So I didn't go for it. I didn't like the way it was. But this one's a little bit better, so more a suitable one for about a 12-year-old, 13-year-old, 11, 12, 13, 14. A year-old boy or girl can ride it. So here it is. It's a little munchkin. So we're gonna put it together. Let me get see if I actually need anything. Check it out. Oh, I already opened it before. I want to take a look at it. Still need to get my cool. Yeah. Wire the back. Yeah, we did the two unboxing. Here's the V.B.HAWK Pro Thunder, V.B.HAWK Mr. X, and this is the V.B.HAWK Ninja right here. These are bad boys, man. And the other one, I have it on the other side. It's just wrapped up nice and tight, but I'm not gonna take it out today. We still have two other motorcycles are coming for the collection to completely finish our showroom. So we have all the models that we're going to be selling, and we got also e-boards, skateboards. Those are bad. Those are badasses. That's one thing I could never ride though when I was a kid. I wish I could ride it. I can't do it now because I have a bad knee. But I tell you, those things are bad. It's up on our website. You'll see it. It has its own link and everything. So when you go to equalgeneration.com, just scroll down. You'll see electric e-boards. Just click on it. It has a whole thing about the e-boards. There's two different models, and you guys will be able to see it and purchase it, of course. So let's see, let's take this out. Put this here. Boxes here. Charger. So parents, if you order this, it'll come just like as you see it. Okay, we're back. Alright, so what we did was we just put this bar, slide it on there, and then we opened it up. Here's the thing, safety. That's about it. You just put the handlebars together, and that's it. That's all we gotta do. So hook this up. Let's shove it down a little bit. There you go. Oops. Watch those screws. Yeah, we had a great success with the unboxing of a lot of views. Some positive feedbacks on it. I appreciate that. You know. You know. Back here. All right, this is the V.B.HAWK kids. It's all done. We put the main bar here together. Screw them in. Connect the wire in here. So what we do, start it. All right. Okay, and how this goes, you're gonna have to physically get on it, like so. and just starts, eh? And the red is your brake. So when you get on it, go on. Oops. Lost touch there. There you go, here you go. That's how it goes. Alright, so this is these are special ordered for a kid. This is for a 12-year-old kid, 10, 11-year-old, 12-year-old kid. Max pounds, I'd say about 300 pounds maximum. For a kid, I'm about 2 something now, so I'm 225, so this takes me good. It's durable, it's really good, great tires, it's well built for a kid. Okay, so if you want one of these, hit me up and we'll order for you. This is the demo one. Okay, like you said, get on and go. Not bad, huh? Here, that's it. Pretty cool. Kids will love it. They all do. Every time we go to the trail, kids are always on these, but they don't have the motors. But this one has the motor. Okay. And I believe this thing goes about, let's say about 15 miles per hour, 15, 18 miles per hour, I believe. This one. So it's got some juice, so it's very good, and it's safe. All right, guys. V.B.HAWK for E.HAWK. Listen, we rock, guys. Look at this. We got things for everybody here. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Peace.